ass nigga, what's up, nigga? I need a nigga with about 6 figures.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and today we gonna get into this luxury wig, y'all. So today we are featuring KesWigs. Shout out to KesWigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this wig. So today we have an HD lace. She's pre-plucked. We have a clean hairline. She's a 13 by 6 lace, okay? 200 density. And let's just get into the breakdown, okay? So this HD lace is very thin and it melts into the skin very well. I have a wig very similar to this one by another company, which we will be comparing in today's video. I am not going to say the company's name because I don't get down like that, but you can put two and two together and figure out what it is. So the wig that I will be comparing this one to is also a 200 density 13 by 6 wig, but I'm going to show you the differences and the similarities between the two. So this one definitely is a full 13 by 6. I have full 13 by 6 parting space. I'm able to part the hair all the way to the side and still have 6 inches to the back. So my other wig, in comparison, you do have 13 by 6 towards the center, but once you get off to the side, you do not have that full parting space. So it is a 13 by 6, but it's not a true 13 by 6. Keep in mind that this is a 24-inch wig and it is 200 density, so a majority of the hair on this wig is one length, so it is very full, and I do like that. So when it comes to the lace quality, I have to say, is pretty much flawless on both of these units. I'm able to achieve a flawless install with the previous wig, and I was able to achieve a flawless install with this one. When it comes to the gifts, I have to say that this company definitely hits it on the nail. You have bomb packaging, you have free gifts that you can actually use. I don't have Barbie doll lashes, but I got a hair tool in here that can be used 3 ways. This could be a curling iron, a flat iron, or a hair crimper. You also get quite a few other free gifts in here, so I absolutely love that. I also have to mention that the hairline on this is pre-plucked, and it's pre-plucked on the other unit as well, so that is about the same. This also has pre-bleach knots, which was the same on the other unit, so we have to love that. Weft Construction on this unit is definitely top tier. All the wefts are neat. I don't have any loose threads. As far as hair quality, this hair is very luscious. It has a nice texture and it has a nice feel. Like, I'm able to straighten this hair and it stays straight, and I also feel like it will hold a really good curl. So I have to say that when it comes to the 2 units, this one definitely does rank a bit higher because of the qualities that were mentioned. The other unit is not a bad unit, but when it comes to this one and it comes to the dollar amount, you definitely get your money's worth. There's just certain characteristics of this wig, like as far as the lace, that just, for some people, that's a no-brainer. A lot of girls that like their side parts, you get a 13 by 6, you want to be able to really utilize the 13 by 6. Also, when it comes to the construction of this wig, they have plenty of clips inside, elastic bands, adjustable straps. So when it comes to the fit of this wig, it is perfect. So I am sold. Honestly, when it comes to these high quality, expensive wigs, you really want to do your research and know what you're paying for, because this is like a wig that you want to have for a very long time. Unless you like buying expensive wigs all the time, that's you, sis. If that's what you like to do, that's what you like to do. But when you're spending this amount of money, definitely do your research. So if you're interested in KesWigs, definitely check the links down in the description box. I will also include a discount code if you want to see how this hair looks. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Once again, shout out to KesWigs for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one.
All I want tonight, just get high. resume is real enough for 2 millenniums. A better way to make a way, start defending them. I meditate and moderate all of my wins again. I'm hanging on the fence again, I'm always on your mind. I put my lyric and my lifeline on the line. And ain't no limit when I might shine, might grind. Be rolling with it at the right time, right now. Only for the dollar sign.
Bad girl, read me now. Swear, 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 even now. On your pulse, I can see the end. Yes, I can see me in. All lasting, long in the fast lane, then it's dead. Looking full in the cash cream. I'm established, and I carrots on my ring. When the atlas, I'm a natural, I'm a ring.
I'm a savage, I'm a king. Shimmy out, right. You can tell your nigga he can meet me outside. You can maybe sit on when I leave him outside. Ain't no one to love like the one I know. I done been down so long, also. I done came down so hard, I saw. Honestly, forever, all a real nigga won't.
I said I'm geek and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher.
Loyalty. Tenfold, no switching sides. Feel something wrong. You act it should be. You don't buy when we come home. I need loyalty. Tell me who you're loyal to. Is it money? Is it fame? Is it weed? Is it drink? Is it coming down with the loud pipes in the rain? Big chillin' only for the power in your name. Tell me who you're loyal to. Is it love for the streets when the lights get dark? Is it unconditional when the robbery don't start? Tell me when your loyalty is coming from the heart.
Tell me who you're loyal to. Do it stop with your woman or your man. Do it in with your family and friends. Or you're loyal to yourself and your friends. I said, tell me who you're loyal to. Is it anybody that you alive for?